Let's learn how to make pop-up text in Premiere Pro. First, add a background video to the timeline. Then, select the text tool, T, and click anywhere in the frame to type your text. To reposition it, switch to the selection tool, V, and drag the text in the preview window. Hold Ctrl while dragging to align it using the guidelines. You can also adjust when the text appears by moving its clip on the timeline and change its duration by dragging its edges. To create the pop-up animation, select the text clip and go to Effect Controls. Under Transform, set the scale to 0 at the start and click the stopwatch to create a keyframe. Move 5 frames forward, press the right arrow key 5 times, then change the scale to 125 to create a second keyframe. Move 4 more frames forward and set the scale to 95, then move 3 more frames forward and set the scale to 100 for a smooth effect. By default, the text may animate from the corner. To fix this, use the Selection tool, click on the text in the preview, and drag the small anchor point circle to the center. Hold Ctrl while dragging for precise alignment. Now, your text will pop up from the center smoothly. That's it. You've created a professional pop-up text effect. Let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like next.